Marcia's mother had decided to start a new quilting business. Her mother could make the prettiest quilts she had ever seen. She decided that she would place an ad in the classified section of the newspaper to advertise. Unfortunately, her ad did not produce any results. Marcia could see her mother struggling and decided to look at different advertising options. She knew that her mother did not have a lot of money, so she decided that using the internet would be the best option. She created a website and set up a Facebook as well as a Pinterest account. Marcia posted pictures of her mother's blankets on the internet. Within a month, the orders began to flood in, and Marcia had never seen her mother so happy. 3 years ago, Bethany started a shop in which she sold handmade bead bracelets. She and her supplier, Beads and More, had a great working relationship. The supplier always provided the product on time, and Bethany always paid the supplier in a timely manner. Business was great. Bethany's company had been selling quite well and had always maintained a positive cash flow. Although everything was going well, Bethany realized she spent funds on materials and other things without keeping track of where the money went. She decided to create a formal company budget. Each quarter, she reviewed the budget to determine if she had stayed on budget. After the first 2 budget reviews, she realized that she had firmly adhered to the budget, and she gave herself a pat on the back for a job well done.